And now let's get to the Alex Murdaugh double murder trial, where in the past few minutes, we've actually learned that a bomb threat was made and the courthouse was evacuated. NBC News correspondent Blayne Alexander is following the case and joins us now. Blayne, first, just tell us about this breaking news. What do we know about this evacuation?
Well, we're just learning a little bit more. They were right in the middle of testimony, had just brought a new witness up to the stand when the judge asked the jury to go to the juror room, excuse them from the courtroom, and then said that they had to be evacuated. So we've just confirmed, NBC News has just confirmed, that there was a bomb threat that was made on the courtroom. Again, all of this happened really just in the middle of testimony, or just as testimony was getting ready to get underway. So certainly a major interruption and a very notable one, too.
Absolutely. Okay, Blayne, now, we'll keep an eye on that, and do please let us know if we hear anything new. But for now, let's go back to what we were hearing in that courtroom. So the financial crimes, key component here for the prosecution. What is the prosecution's specific claims here when we talk about this alleged motive? What have we learned?
Well, essentially, the prosecution is saying that all of these financial crimes were kind of coming down, like the dominoes had started to fall when it came to Alex Murdaugh and his alleged crimes, and that he was facing a lot of pressure. And they are arguing that he killed his wife and adult son in order to buy himself some time, to garner some sympathy, and to kind of distract from the number of crimes that were mounting against him. Now, we do know that we heard today from the paralegal who worked for him at his firm. She's the one who actually raised what she calls some yellow flags to the firm's CFO, who ultimately confronted him about the missing money. Here's a little bit about what she says changed after those murders happened. She really pointed to the fact that they were all comforting Murdaugh, but they were also comforting each other, that it was a very difficult time for all of them, and that the questions about the money really moved to the back burner. Take a look.
We were just there, supporting each other and helping one another through this grieving process.
Were you at all concerned about finding out what happened to these Ferris fees after that happened?
What Ferris fees?
What Ferris fees?
Yeah, what Ferris fees? That was the furthest thing on my mind.
And remember, that really is the entire underpinning of the prosecution's case, that was why, because he was desperate, because he was facing all of this pressure, that was why they say he killed his wife and son.
All right, NBC News correspondent Blayne Alexander, both on what's going on in the actual trial here within the courtroom, as well as the breaking news of a bomb threat there. And we'll keep our eyes on that, Blayne. Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Follow today's top stories and breaking news by downloading the NBC News app.